Crockpot this morning and we're fixing to get our day started. And tonight we're going to be having taco potato casserole, and this is done in the Crockpot. Go ahead and get your Crockpot out and spray it with some spray. And you're going to need 2 pounds of shredded hash brown potatoes. And you're going to need some cooked hamburger meat. I already got that done. I did that the night before. So put that in there well. It's already cooked. It's hamburger meat, onion, and garlic. Okay, and then we need to add a can of Rotel, a can of cheddar cheese soup, taco seasoning in there, a half a cup of sour cream. Put this on high for about 3 to 4 hours, and then I will be back here at the Crockpot later to show you how it turned out. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. I did add extra sour cream because it didn't really look that creamy to me, and don't make a mistake like I did and overcook the potatoes until they turn into mashed potatoes. So probably low for 2 to 3 hours instead of anything else. And that's it. Make sure you're stirring it a little bit as you go too. Okay, see y'all next time.